Good morning from a blustery summer's morning here in Leamington. I'm Tim Carbury from Berthon, and I'd like to welcome you on board our walkthrough video of our recently refitted 2012 Discovery 55 SHEKINA. SHEKINA has benefited from having one owner since new, and has recently joined us after a very extensive refit in the winter of 2025 and 2026. She was constructed with an extra layer of Kevlar and an extra layer forward to improve hull strength in case of an impact. The hull and superstructure were polished in 2026, and new copper coat was also applied in 2026. SHEKINA has been cruised by her owners either solo or double-handed. They have either cruised the Northern Europe, the Mediterranean or the Caribbean, giving true testament to what a capable blue water cruising yacht this is. Here on the davits you see her ribeye 310 tender, which has a 15 horsepower Yamaha outboard. Coming on board you see this lovely layout of the Discovery 55. On the foredeck here you see these wonderful dolphin seats, her Reckman furlers and the Lumar windlass. She has a Spade S200 anchor with 100 metres of chain. Looking aft, you see the track there for the self-tacking jib, the Selden mast and the Selden boom, and she also had new standing rigging in the refit of 2026. The sails on board are Hood Vectron, which was serviced in 2026. Here you see her Selden spinnaker pole, and all the winches on board are Lumar. They're either self-tailing manual or electric winches. Coming aft towards the cockpit, you see that lovely secure Discovery 55 cockpit. All the canvas and cushions on board were cleaned and serviced in 2026. And here you see the KVH Fleet Track phone, which allows for phone, fax and broadband. The Solent rig and in-mast furling really complements this very safe, secure cockpit. She has Raymarine i70 electronics throughout, and here you see Harry stood in her very signature fresh and saltwater cockpit hot tub. All lines you see running aft to the cockpit, and more Raymarine electronics there. The Discovery 55 and SHEKINA really are a lovely, lovely cruising boat. Let's take a look down below. SHEKINA has 6 berths in 3 cabins, and here you see her upholstery in CB oyster leather. She has a light oak interior and oak and ebony flooring, which is 100mm throughout. Wonderful raised nav station here. Great place to navigate from. Really nice vision when underway or at anchor. It's a really lovely, airy and light raised saloon on the Discovery 55. Beautiful visibility as those wonderful windows that were replaced in 2026. Let's take a look forward. Going all the way forward here to the forepeak, you see a lovely guest double. Beautiful light. Lots of storage. Storage either side of the berth and also underneath. As you can see, the woodwork's in fantastic condition, as is all the varnish. As we come aft on the port side here, we've got the twin Pullman cabin. Again, you can see this is a really cosy cabin, but also bathed with lots of natural light. A really great cabin when underway and passage making. Here we come across to the heads, which the 2 forward guest cabins share. Very nicely appointed heads, heated towel rail there. The mirrors are in great condition, as is the rest of this boat. As we come aft here, you just get hit by the natural light that floods in from all those windows. The companionway steps you see there were revarnished in 2026. And then we come down into this really very nice, very safe galley. Twin sinks, which are inboard, which aids draining, and a nice 4-burner gas oven there. As well as being safe, this is a very functional galley. You have a nice freezer there. And then a very large fridge. As I mentioned, SHEKINA really is a proven short-handed blue water cruising yacht. And we come aft into this beautiful owner's cabin. Very large double bed, centrally located, lots of storage, really nice hanging locker there, Very nicely placed television. And lots of storage. As we come forward here into the heads, another very nice, large, functional heads. Heated towel rail, mirrors in beautiful condition. Nice large shower cubicle. And a very cleverly housed washing machine. Inboard here we have the engine room, where you see the Yanmar 160 horsepower engine, which was serviced in 2025. There's also an Onan generator, which was serviced in 2025. And a Seafresh water maker, which makes up to 102 litres an hour, which again was serviced in 2026. Very functional space, good access to all the areas that require routine maintenance. She really is in fabulous condition. Another lovely view of this large full beam cabin. As we come through the galley here, up into this lovely raised saloon for one more time. So thank you for joining us on board SHEKINA, our 2012 Discovery 55. And if you'd like more information on her, then please do visit our website. Thank you.